How did you tackle those early car issues when they first arose? Like when the trunk gas spring failed with your beloved vehicle. This is the issue with the Toyota Highlander. It's a very common problem on lots of cars. Over time, the struts of this pneumatic lift tailgate weaken, causing the tailgate to fall on your head even after you open it. The plastic connectors at the ends of the gas spring are two different types of connectors, which we can look at carefully. The plastic connector at one end is angled a little. If these accessories are different from yours, we can also customize them using your samples. Firstly, install the plastic end fitting on both ends of the gas spring. Gastec gas springs boast a service life exceeding 30,000 cycles because our products come with a 2-year warranty. We have a well-established production supply chain offering competitive prices. Feel free to consult with us if you're interested. Before you remove the strut, you need to support the weight of the tailgate so it doesn't fall. To disconnect the linkage between the gas spring joint and the ball stud, you'll need to use a flathead screwdriver. With a gentle pry like this, you can separate the ball stud from the end fitting. Users in cold regions report that gas springs operate unstably at low temperatures. Gastec gas spring can be used in temperatures as low as -45 degrees Celsius. Fixing the end fitting of the gas spring to the ball studs. Align the socket with the ball, then with gentle pressure, you can connect the plastic joint with the ball studs. After assembly, rotate the gas spring to check if it is properly connected to the joint. If it moves freely like this, then today's replacement of the car's trunk gas spring is considered complete. If you have any further concerns or questions, feel free to consult us and we'll give you the answer. We will be uploading new videos continuously. Subscribe to see all our latest content.